how to create shirt mockups of your designs in Canva. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create mockups of your designs using Canva so you can see exactly how they'll look when printed. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, go to canva.com and log into your account. Once you're in, click on social media. And after that, click on the Instagram post to create a size that fits your project. After that, you'll land in the Canva editor. Now click on the Photos tab from the left menu, once in it, and search for shirt mockup. Scroll through and select a mockup you like. Drag it onto your canvas. Next, go to Uploads and upload your design. Once uploaded, drag your design onto the mockup image. Now adjust the size, rotation, and position to make sure it fits perfectly onto the shirt area. To preview your mockup, simply click on the present or preview icon at the top. You'll now see a clean, photorealistic version of your design on the mockup. And that's it, you've created a custom product mockup in Canva without any advanced tools. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, drop a comment, share it with friends, and subscribe for more easy Canva tricks. That's all for the video.